নমস্কাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ, আজি আপোনালোকৰ পুনৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ মোৰ ষ্টাডি চেনেল এনালাইজ এণ্ড মেমৰাইজলৈ। আজি মই 2015 ইয়েৰৰ আসাম জুডিচিয়েল ছাৰ্ভিচ গ্ৰেড 3 প্ৰিলিমিনেৰী এক্সামৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰটো ছল্ভ কৰিব লৈছোঁ আপোনালোকৰ লগত। তো বলক আমি ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ। আজি আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Each of the questions below consists of a word in capital letters followed by 4-letter words or phrases. Choose the lettered word that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the word in capital letters. Our first word to hold. Number 1, ambiguous. Your options will hold A, enlighten, B, corresponding, C, responsible, and D, clear. Your opposite meaning, ambiguous or opposite meaning to our ulabo lage. Our correct answer to whole clear. Then next number 2, dilate. Options will hold A, participate, B, contract, C, conclude, D, participate. Our correct answer to hobo option B, contract. Then number 3, rustic. Your options hold A, urban, B, slow, C, corroded, D, mercenary. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব A, urban. The number 4, pertinent. Options বিলাক হ'ল A, moral, B, original, C, irrelevant, D, positive. আৰু correct answer to হ'ব C, irrelevant. The next number 5, turbulence. Options হ'ল A, reaction, B, approach, C, hostility, আৰু D, calm. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option D, calm. Next question number 6 or পৰা আমি synonyms বিলাক ওলাব লাগে। ইয়াত question টো দিয়া আছে each of the questions below consist of a word in capital letters followed by 4-lettered words or phrases. Choose the lettered word that is most nearly similar in meaning to the words in capital letters. Number 6, word to hold circuitous. Options hold A, indirect, B, complete, C, obvious, D, aware. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব A, indirect. তাৰপিছত number 7, deluge. Options hold A, confusion, B, deception, C, flood, আৰু D, mountain. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব C, flood. Then number 8, embellish. Options hold A, doff, B, don, C, abscond, আৰু D, adorn. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option D, adorn. Next number 9, germane. Options hold A, bacteriological, B, absurd, C, prominent, আৰু D, relevant. আৰু correct answer to হ'ব আমাৰ relevant, option D. Then number 10, nascent. Your options hold A, incipient, B, ignorant, C, loyal, আৰু D, treacherous. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব A, incipient. Next আমি যাওঁ question number 11. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away in Shillong on July 27, 2015. He served as the President of India. মানে কিমান নম্বৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হিচাপে তেওঁ কাম কৰিছিলে? Options হ'ল A, 9th, B, 10th, C, 11th, আৰু D, 12th. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব he served as the 11th President of India. Question number 12. Government decided to observe August 7 as which of the following? A, National Handicrafts Day, B, National Handloom Day, C, National Khadi Day, আৰু D, National Artisans Day. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B, National Handloom Day. Then question number 13. Who among the following persons was appointed as the new CEO of Google in August 2015? Options hold A, Shantanu Narayan, B, Ramesh Wadhwani, C, Sundar Pichai, আৰু D, Satyanarayan Nadella. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option C, Sundar Pichai. Then question number 14. What will come in place of the question mark in given number series? ইয়াত এটা number series দিয়া আছে যেটো হল 4 9 16 দেন এটা কোৱেশ্চন মাৰ্ক আৰু দেন 36 49 64 ইয়াত আপোনালোকে চাব যে সিকুৱেন্সটো এনেকে গৈছে যে এটা নাম্বাৰৰ স্কয়াৰ হিচাপত এসেন্ডিং অৰ্ডাৰত গৈ আছে যেনেকে 2 স্কয়াৰ 4 হ'ব 3 স্কয়াৰ 9 হ'ব 16 to 4 ৰ স্কয়াৰ হ'ব দেন ইয়াত মিডলত যেটো হেৰি হ'ব নাম্বাৰটো এটো 5 হ'ব লাগে কিয়নো তাৰ নেক্সট নাম্বাৰটো 6 ৰ স্কয়াৰ হয় দেন 7 ৰ স্কয়াৰ দেন 8 ৰ স্কয়াৰ তো ইয়াত আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব 5 ৰ স্কয়াৰ মানে বি 25 আনসাৰটো হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ B 25. Then question number 15. A took a certain sum of money as loan from bank at the rate of 8% simple interest per annum. A lends the same amount to B at 12% simple interest per annum. If at the end of 5 years A made a profit of rupees 800 from the deal, how much was the original sum? So amar yat question to diya ase je A eta certain sum of money 8% simple interest bankor pora loan loisile teo nije 8% simple interest loisile aru jetia teo a amount to B lend korile tetia teo 12% simple interest lend korile mane 4% profit teo lend korile to etia 5 years of pisot jodi teo 800 rupees profit korile তাৰ মানে পাৰ ইয়াৰ তেও কিমান এটা বছৰত 5 ইয়াৰ্ছত যদি 800 হৈছে তেতিয়া হলে এটা বছৰত তেও কিমান কে ওলাইছে হেতু মই ইয়াত লিখি দিছো 800 ডিভাইডেড বাই 5 ইয়াৰ্স মানে পাৰ ইয়াৰ তেও 160 रुपीस কে প্ৰফিট কৰিলে তাৰ মানে 4% প্ৰফিট ইন এ ইয়াৰ তেতিয়া হলে 4% প্ৰফিট যদি 160 रुपीस হয় তাৰ মানে 1% প্ৰফিট কিমান হ'ব 160 divided by 4 is equal to 40 তো 1% যদি আমাৰ প্ৰফিট টু 40 रुपीस হয় তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ 100% প্ৰফিট কিমান হ'ব 40 into 100 তাৰ মানে rupees 4000 তো এটো আমাৰ কোৱেশ্চন টু জিটো how much was the original sum to rupees 4000 হ'ব অপশন বি টু আমাৰ কারেক্ট আনসার হ'ব then question number 16 The headquarters of the United Nations organization is located in etu baru amar eta bahut common question hoy option A London B Geneva C New York D Vienna aru amar correct answer tu hobo option C New York then question number 17 An ace shutler on 28th March 2015 created history by becoming first Indian woman to be ranked number 1 in Badminton World Federation rankings in women's singles category. She is option A Sania Mirza, option B Aparna Popat, option C Sunita Rao and option D Saina Nehwal. And our correct answer to hobo option D Saina Nehwal. Question number 18. Father's age is 30 years more than the son's age. 10 years later the father's age will become 3 times the son's age. What is son's present age in years? So, amar yat this is a father's age to 30 years more than son's age. Etia son's age to ami assume korilu je son's age to let son's age be x years. Tetia ki hobo father's age to x plus 30 years hobo. Then 10 years later son's age to ki hobo x plus 10 years hobo. আৰু father's age to x plus 30 plus 10 years তো ইয়াত দিছে যে 10 years later father's age will become 3 times of son's age তো হে কাৰণে father's age or 3 times যদি son's age to হয় তেতিয়া আমাৰ son's age to আমি 3 দি multiply কৰিব লাগিব তো আমি যদি এনেকে ফলো কৰি যাও 3 into x plus 10 equal to x plus 30 plus 10 তো next step to হ'ব ইফালে 3 into x হলে 3x plus 3 into 10 হলে 30 equal to x plus 30 plus 10 40 তো next step to আমাৰ হ'ব ইয়াত আমি interchange place কৰি দিলো যে 3x আৰু ইফালে x to আমি 3 ইফালে আনিলে 3 minus x is equal to 2x আৰু ইফালে 40 minus 30 is equal to 10 তাৰ মানে x is equal to 5 মানে sonor present age to হ'ব 5 years আৰু 10 years pisot sonor present son 10 years pisot sonor age to hobo 5 plus 10 15 years aru father's age to hobo 3 into son's age mane 45 years মানে আমাৰ কারেক্ট আনসারটো হ'ব অপশন সি 5 years দেন আমি কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 19 লৈ যাওঁ Banks have installed ATMs at various locations in almost all the cities /towns in India. What does the letter T denote in the abbreviation ATM as used above? Option A total, B terminal, C transfer আৰু D teller. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ল option D teller. Then number 20. Which one of the following items is related to Dandi March? Dandi March or লগত কোনটো item related? Option A water, B salt, C sugar আৰু D khadi. তো এটো salt লৈ পেলাই দাণ্ডি মাৰ্চটো হৈছিলে তো আমাৰ কারেক্ট আনসারটো হ'ব অপশন বি salt. Then question number 21. World's Human Rights Day is observed on option A April 8, option B December 10, option C December 7 আৰু D September 5. আৰু আমাৰ কারেক্ট আনসারটো হ'ব December 10. Per every year December 10 ত আমাৰ World Human Rights Day observe হয়. Next 22. Amjad Ali Khan is associated with which of the following musical instruments? Option A sarod, B veena, C violin, D sitar. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to whole option A sarod. Then question number 23. Golden Revolution refers to the development of which of the following? A oilseed, B pulses, C horticulture products আৰু D cereals. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to whole option C horticultural products. Then question number 24. ইয়াত আমাক reasoning or দুটামান question দিয়া আছে. In the questions below, statements are given followed by 4 conclusions 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts. Read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follow from the given statements disregarding commonly known facts. ইয়াত আমাৰ statement and conclusion কেইটামান question দিয়া আছে. Question number 24. Statement to দিয়া আছে some books are pens, all pens are chairs, some chairs are tables. আৰু এটো duo to typing error হৈ গল. আৰু conclusion দিয়া আছে number 1 some books are chairs, number 2 some chairs are books, and number 3 all tables are chairs, and number 4 some tables are chairs. মই ইয়াত diagram এটা এনেই draw কৰি দিছো. ইয়াত দিছে some books are pens আৰু all pens are chairs. তো chairs যেতিয়া হেৰি হৈছে common ইয়াত chair টো মই আগত draw কৰিলো. চেয়াৰৰ ভিতৰত ইয়াত দিছে all pens are chairs মানে all pens are chairs মানে পেনটো কমপ্লিটলি চেয়াৰৰ আন্ডাৰত হ'ব সেইকাৰণে পেনৰ ডায়াগ্ৰামটো কমপ্লিটলি চেয়াৰৰ আন্ডাৰত দেন দিছে some books are pens ইয়াত কৈছে যে অকল কেইটামান বুকছে পেন্স হয় গোটেইবিলাক নহয় সেইকাৰণে আমি এটা পাৰ্ট পেনৰ ড্ৰ কৰিছো লৈ পেলাই বুকছক আৰু some chairs are tables ইয়াত দিছে চেয়াৰছে অকল টেবলছ হয় পেন্স নহয় সেইকাৰণে এফালে দিছো some chairs are tables কেইটামান তো কনক্লুজন আমাৰ কি ইয়াত ফলো কৰিব some books are chairs হৈছে এটো আমাৰ কারেক্ট পেন যেতিয়া হৈছে তেতিয়া আমাৰ ভিতৰত চেয়াৰছো অলপমান কেইটামান পৰিলে then some chairs are books হৈছে all tables are chairs নাই কেইটামান চেয়াৰছ টেবলছে অকল চেয়াৰছৰ ভিতৰত পৰিলে আৰু some tables are chairs হৈছে কেইটামান টেবল হে অকল চেয়াৰৰ ভিতৰত পৰিলে তো সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ কারেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব option C 1 2 and 4 will follow. Next question number 25. Statement bilak dise all cars are jeeps, all jeeps are buses, and all buses are trucks. And conclusion dise number 1 all trucks are buses, all buses are jeeps, all jeeps are cars, and all cars are truck. To kuntu conclusion follow koribo ইয়াত দিছে all cars are jeeps, all jeeps are buses, and all buses are trucks. তো আমি আগত ট্ৰাকটো ড্ৰ কৰিলো ট্ৰাকৰ ভিতৰত দিছে all buses are trucks তো আমি বাসটো কমপ্লিটলি ট্ৰাকৰ ভিতৰত আহিব তো এই কাৰণে বাসেসটো ট্ৰাকৰ ভিতৰত আমি ড্ৰ কৰিলো দেন আকৌ দিছে অল জিপছ আৰ বাছেছ, মানে জিপছবিলাক চব বাছেছ হয়, তো বাছেছৰ ভিতৰত আকৌ জিপছ আমি ড্ৰ কৰিলোঁ। এণ্ড দেন অল কাৰ্ছ আৰ জিপছ, তো কাৰ্ছো জিপছৰ ভিতৰত পৰে, তো আমি ডাইৰেক্ট কাৰটো জিপৰ ভিতৰত ড্ৰ কৰিলোঁ। ইয়াত কনক্লুজনবিলাক দিছে অল ট্ৰাকছ আৰ বাছেছ, অল ট্ৰাকছটো বাছেছ নহয়, বাছেছৰ ভিতৰত ট্ৰাকছৰ ভিতৰত বাছৰ কেটেগৰীটো পৰিছে, কেইটামান ট্ৰাকছ নাথাকিবও পাৰে, তো সেইটো কাৰণে এইটো ফ'ল' নকৰিব। দেন নাম্বাৰ 2 অল বাছেছ আৰ জিপছ, অল বাছেছৰ ভিতৰত ছেম টু ছেম ৰিভাৰ্ছ কণ্ডিশ্যনত এইটো ফ'ল' নকৰিব। বাছেছটো জিপছবিলাক কেইটামান বাছেছ হ'ব আৰু বাছেছ থাকি যাব কেইটামান, চব জিপছ নহ'ব। আৰু অল জিপছ আৰ কাৰ্ছ, অল জিপছ আৰ কাৰ্ছো নহ'ব, এইটো অপজিট হেৰিত ছেম টু ছেম কথাই হয়, খালি অল কাৰ্ছ আৰ ট্ৰাকছ হ'ব, অল কাৰ্ছ আৰ ট্ৰাকছৰ ভিতৰত পৰিব। ইয়াত যদি দিলেহেঁতেন যে অল ট্ৰাকছ আৰ কাৰ্ছ, এইটো নহ'ব, অল কাৰ্ছ আৰ ট্ৰাকছ দিছে এইটো হ'ব, তো সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ অপশ্যন হ'ব অপশ্যন 4, মানে অনলি 4 উইল ফ'ল'। অপশ্যন ডিটো হ'ব আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ। Question number 26. Cognizable offense under CRPC has been defined. Option A, under section 2 of CRPC. Option B, under section 2C of CRPC. Option C, under section 2I of CRPC. और option D, under section 2(1) of CRPC. और हमारा correct answer to होगा option B, under section 2C of CRPC. Then our next question, 27. Search of an arrested person by a police officer is provided under option A, section 49 of CRPC, option B, section 50 of CRPC, option C, section 51 of CRPC, और option D, section 54 of CRPC. और हमारा correct answer to होगा section 51 of CRPC. Option C is the correct answer. Then our question number 28. A proclamation requiring a person to appear must be published giving A, not less than 30 days time to the person concerned, B, not less than 10 days time to the person concerned, C, not less than 20 days time to the person concerned, और D, not less than 15 days time to the person concerned. और हमारा correct answer to होगा option A, not less than 30 days time to the person concerned. Then question number 29. Statements recorded during investigation under section 161 of CRPC can be used during trial. Option A, for corroborating the witness. Option B, for contradicting the witness. Option C, both A and B. और D, neither A nor B. और हमारा correct answer to होगा B, for contradicting the witness. Next question number 30. A confessional statement under section 164 CRPC can be recorded. A, during the course of investigation only and not afterwards. B, during the course of investigation or at any time afterwards before the commencement of inquiry or trial. C, during investigation as well as during inquiry but before commencement of trial. और D होगा during the investigation, inquiry or trial. और हमारा correct answer to होगा during the course of investigation or at any time afterwards before the commencement of inquiry or trial. Option B to correct answer. Question number 31. Examination of the witnesses in the absence of the accused can be done under which section? Option A, section 299 of CRPC. Option B, section 321 of CRPC. Option C, section 224 of CRPC. और ऑप्शन डी सेक्शन 301 ऑफ CRPC. और हमारा करेक्ट आंसर टू होगा ऑप्शन ए सेक्शन 299 ऑफ CRPC. Then our next question number 32. Under section 313 of CRPC, the statement of the accused, option A, has to be recorded on oath, B, has to be recorded without oath, C, either on oath or without oath depending on whether the case is summons case or a warrant case, or D, either on oath or without oath as per discretion of the court. और हमारा correct answer to होगा has to be recorded without oath. Then question number 33. As per section 468 of CRPC, a period of limitation for an offence punishable with a term of 2 years is limitation to की होगा A 6 months, B 1 year, C 2 years আৰু D 3 years আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব 3 years Then our next question number 34 Dishonestly has been defined in the IPC as doing anything with intention to cause wrongful gain to one person and wrongful loss to another under which section A section 21 B section 23 C section 24 আৰু D section 25 আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব section 24 under section 24 IPC dishonestly is defined Question number 35 General exceptions are contained in which chapter of IPC Option A chapter 3 of IPC Option B chapter 4 of IPC Option C chapter 5 of IPC আৰু option D chapter 6 of IPC আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব chapter 4 of IPC Next question number 36 A hangman who hangs a convict pursuant to the order of the court is exempt from criminal liability by virtue of Option A section 77 of IPC Option B section 78 of IPC Option C section 79 of IPC আৰু option D section 76 of IPC আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব section 78 of IPC Then our next question number 37 The right to private defense is Option A unrestricted B subject to restriction contained in section 99 of IPC C subject to restrictions contained in chapter 4 of IPC আৰু D subject to restrictions contained in CPC আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B subject to restrictions contained in section 99 of IPC Question number 38 To constitute the offense of abatement A. It is necessary that the act abated should be committed successfully B. It is not necessary that the act abated should be committed C. Both A and B D. None of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব It is not necessary that the act abated should be committed Option B correct answer Then question number 39 For an assembly to be unlawful, it must have a common object of the kind specified. Specified in which section? Option A, section 141 of IPC, B, section 140 of IPC, C, section 142 of IPC, আৰু D, section 144 of IPC. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option A, section 141 of IPC. Then number 40. Rioting means use of force or violence by an unlawful assembly or by any member thereof in prosecution of the common object of such assembly under section 144 of IPC, section 145 of IPC, section 146 of IPC আৰু section 148 of IPC আৰু এটা আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব section 146 of IPC Question number 41 Assault or criminal force to women with intent to outrage her modesty is punishable under which section? Option A under section 363, B section 354, C section 509 আৰু D section 511 আৰু এটা আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B section 354 of IPC. Then question number 42 X puts jewels in a box belonging to Y with the intention that they may be found in that box and that these circumstances may cause Y to be convicted of theft. X has option A charged Y for misappropriation of property, B fabricated false evidence, C prosecuted Y on the charge of theft আৰু D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to কি হ'ব X কি কৰিলে the false evidence fabricate কৰিছে আৰু হেতু কাৰণে option B to আমাৰ correct answer হ'ব Next question number 43 Explanation to section 403 IPC states that dishonest misappropriation for a time only is a misappropriation within the meaning of this section. The which section? Option A 1 B 2 C 3 আৰু D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option A 1. Question number 44 fact in issue means? Option A, fact, existence or non-existence of which is admitted by the parties. B, facts, existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. C, facts, existence or non-existence of which is not disputed by the parties. Aru D hobo all of the above. And our correct answer to facts, existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. Option B. Question number 45. A fact forming a part of the same transaction is relevant under section 6 of the Evidence Act 1872. Option A, if it is in issue and have occurred at the same time and place. B, if it is in issue and may have occurred at different time and places. Option C, if not in issue but is connected with a fact in issue and occurring at the same time and place or at different times and places. Or D, if it is not in issue but is connected with a fact in issue and occurring at the same time and place. Or our correct answer to hobo, if not in issue but is connected with a fact in issue and occurring at the same time and place or at different time and places. Then question number 46. A confession made by a person while in police custody is inadmissible as per which section? A, section 25 of Evidence Act. B, section 26 of Evidence Act. C, section 27 of Evidence Act. Or D, section 30 of Evidence Act. Or our correct answer to hobo section 25 of Evidence Act. Option A. Question number 47. Section 27 of Evidence Act applies. Option A, when the person giving information is an accused but not in police custody. Option B, when the person giving information is an accused and is in police custody. Option C, when the person is in police custody but not an accused. Option D, when the person is neither in police custody nor an accused. Or our correct answer to hobo option B, when the person giving information is an accused and is in police custody. Question number 48. Contents of a document may be proved under section 61 of Evidence Act by option A, by primary evidence. B, by secondary evidence. C, either by primary or by secondary evidence. Or D, only by primary evidence and not by secondary evidence. Or our correct answer to hobo either by primary or secondary evidence. Option C to correct answer hobo. Then question number 49. Admissibility of electronic records has been prescribed under which section of Evidence Act? Option A, section 65, B, 65A, C, 65B, or D, 66. Or our correct answer to hobo option C, section 65B of Evidence Act. Then আমি যাও question number 50 le. 50. Section 90 of Evidence Act applies to option A, non-testamentary documents. B, testamentary documents. C, both testamentary and non-testamentary documents. Or D, none of the above. Or our correct answer to hobo option C, both testamentary and non-testamentary documents. Then question number 51. The principle that possession is prima facie proof of ownership is contained in option A, section 109 of Evidence Act. Option B, section 110 of Evidence Act. Option C, section 111 of Evidence Act. Or option D, section 112 of Evidence Act. Or our correct answer to hobo section 110 of Evidence Act. Then question number 52. Under section 116 of Evidence Act, the tenant is estopped from A, from denying the title to the property of the landlord. B, from denying the title to the property of the actual owner. C, both A and B. Or D, none of the above. Or our correct answer to hobo from denying the title to the property of the landlord. Option A to correct answer. Then question number 53. An accomplice is a competent witness under which section? A, under section 118 of Evidence Act. B, section 119 of Evidence Act. C section 133 of Evidence Act আৰু D section 132 of Evidence Act আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব section 118 of Evidence Act. Then question number 54. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on A 25th August 1949, B 26 November 1949, C 26 January 1950 আৰু D 15th August 1947 আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব 26 November 1949. Question number 55. The Indian Independence Act 1947 came into force on A 18 July 1947, B 14th August 1947, C 3rd June 1947 আৰু D 26 July 1947 আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব 18 July 1947. Then question number 56. The words socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble of the Constitution of India by option A 15th Amendment of the Constitution, B 39th Amendment of the Constitution, C 42nd Amendment of the Constitution আৰু D এটো 44th Amendment of the Constitution হ'ব ইয়াত এটা এক্সট্ৰা 4 লাগি গ'ল 44th Amendment of the Constitution আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব option C 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. Then question number 57. Fundamental duties were inserted in the Constitution by option A 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, option B 44th Amendment of the Constitution, option C 47th Amendment আৰু D 49th Amendment আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option A 42nd Amendment. Then question number 58. The doctrine of double jeopardy in Article 20 Clause 2 of the Constitution means option A no one can be prosecuted and punished more than once for the same offense, option B no one can be tried several times for the same offense, option C punishment once awarded cannot be enhanced in appeal or revision, option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option A no one can be prosecuted and punished more than once for the same offense. Then our next question 59. Article 14 guarantees equality before law and equal protection of law to A any person living within the territory of India, option B all Indian citizens living in India, option C all persons domiciled in India আৰু D both B and C আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ল option A any person living within the territory of India. Question number 60. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for the appointment of an acting Chief Justice? আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব এই চাৰিটা options পৰা article 125, article 126, article 127 আৰু article 130 এই চাৰিটা পৰা আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব article 126 of Constitution of India. Then question number 61. Under article 358 of the Constitution of India, which article automatically becomes suspended on a proclamation of emergency? Options all A article 14, B article 19, C article 21 আৰু D article 32 আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব article 19. Then question number 62. The three lists are mentioned in which schedule of the Constitution? Our options all A 6th schedule, B 7th schedule, C 8th schedule আৰু D 9th schedule আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব 7th schedule. আমাৰ তিনটা list 7th schedule mention কৰা আছে. Then question number 63. Sarkaria Commission was set up for the review of relation between option A Prime Minister and the President, option B Legislature and the Executive, option C Executive and Judiciary আৰু option D Center and the States আৰু এটো আমাৰ correct answer হ'ব Center and the States. Then question number 64. The first constitutional amendment was passed in option A 1950, option B 1951, C 1952 আৰু D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B 1951. Question number 65. By which of the following Amendment Act of 1985 provision as to the disqualification of ground of defection were added to the Constitution? Option A 51st, B 52nd, C 53rd আৰু D 54th. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব 52nd amendment. Then question number 66. Part 9 of the Constitution dealing with panchayats was inserted by which amendment? Option A 72nd amendment, option B 73rd amendment, option C 74th amendment আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B 73rd amendment. Then question number 67. Which article of the Constitution provides for the adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys? Options bilak hol Article 258, option B Article 260, option C Article 262 আৰু D Article 264. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব Article 262. Then question number 68. Jurisdiction of civil courts can be barred. Option A expressly only, option B impliedly only, option C either expressly or impliedly, and option D neither expressly nor impliedly. And our correct answer to hobo either expressly or impliedly. Then question number 69. Constructive res judicata is contained in option A explanation 3 to section 11, option B explanation 4 to section 11, option C explanation 6 to section 11, aru option D explanation 7 to section 11. Aru amar correct answer to hobo option B explanation 4 to section 11. Then our next question, question number 70. Place of institution of suits in respect of immovable property situated within the jurisdiction of different courts is provided under which section of CPC? Option A under section 17, B under section 18, C under section 19, and D under section 20. Our correct answer to hobo under section 17 of CPC. The place of institution of suit in respect of immovable property situated within the jurisdiction of different courts is provided. Question number 71. A plaint can be rejected under option A under order 7 rule 10 of CPC, B under order 7 rule 10A of CPC, C under order 7 rule 11 of CPC, or D all of the above. Our correct answer to hobo a plaint can be rejected option C under order 7 rule 11 of CPC. Then question number 72. After dismissal of a suit under order 9 rule 8 of CPC, a fresh suit under order 10 rule 9 of CPC on the same cause of action, option A is barred, option B is not barred, option C is not barred subject to law of limitation, or option D can be filed with the permission of the court. And our correct answer to hobo option A is barred. Then question number 73. An ex parte decree can be set aside under option A under order 9 rule 7 of CPC, B under order 9 rule 11 of CPC, C under order 9 rule 13 of CPC, or D under order 9 rule 14 of CPC. Eto 9 hobo de. Aru correct answer to hobo under order 9 rule 13 of CPC. Question number 74. If the plaintiff wants to withdraw the suit, then option A, the plaintiff can withdraw the suit against all the defendants if there are more than one. B, the plaintiff has the liberty to withdraw the suit against some of the defendant if there are more than one. Or option C, the plaintiff has the liberty to withdraw the suit against any one of the defendants, or D all of the above. And our correct answer to hobo all of the above. যিকোনো এটা ষ্টেপে ল'ব পাৰে। Then question number 75. Commission to make local investigations cannot be issued for the purpose of option A. Collecting evidence on a fact, option B. Elucidating any matter in dispute, option C. Ascertaining the market value of the property, option D. Ascertaining the amount of mean profit. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব collecting evidence on a fact. Question number 76. An application for grant of temporary injunction shall be decided in cases of grant of ex parte temporary injunctions as provided under Order 39, Rule 3A of CPC within option A 30 days, B 45 days, C 60 days, and D 90 days. And our correct answer to hobo option A 30 days. Then question number 77. Appeals can be preferred against option A decree, B order, C both decree and order, D only decree not order. And correct answer to hobo option C both decree and order. Then question number 78. A caveat shall not remain in force after the expiry of option A 30 days, B 60 days, C 90 days, and D 180 days. And correct answer to hobo option C 90 days. Question number 79. Order 12 Rule 8 of CPC pertains to A. Notice to admit documents, B. Notice to admit facts, C. Notice to produce documents, and D. both A and C. And our correct answer to hobo notice to produce documents, option C. Then ami ahu question number 80. An appeal under section 100 of CPC lies provided the case option A involves substantial question of law, B involves question of law, C involves question of fact and law, or D involves any of the above. And our correct answer to hobo option A involves substantial question of law. Next question number 81. Before the commencement of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, the transfer of immovable properties in India were governed by option A principles of English law and equity, option B Indian Registration Act 1908, C British Sale of Goods Act 1880, and D Indian Contract Act 1872. And our correct answer to hobo principles of English law and equity, option A. Question number 82. In the Transfer of Property Act 1882, provision for conditional transfer is provided under option A section 25, B section 26, C section 27, and D section 29. And our correct answer to hobo A section 25. Question number 83. A lease of immovable property from year to year or for any term exceeding 1 year or reserving a yearly rent can be made option A orally without any written statement, B by unregistered instrument, C by registered instrument, or D both B and C. And our correct answer to hobo by registered instrument, option C. Then question number 84. The definition of tort is contained in option A the General Clauses Act 1897, B the Limitation Act 1963, C the Indian Contract Act 1872, or option D the Indian Penal Code 1860. And our correct answer to hobo option B the Limitation Act 1963. Then question number 85. Ubi jus ibi remedium means option A where there is right there is a remedy, option B there is no remedy without a wrong, option C there is no wrong without a remedy, or option D there is no right without a remedy. And our correct answer to hobo there is no wrong without a remedy. Then ami jao question number 86 holo voluntary non-fit injuria is option A defense in an action founded on tort, option B a ground for initiation of action for tort, C not a defense in an action for tort, or D none of the above. And our correct answer to hobo a defense in an action founded on tort, option A is the correct answer. Then question number 87. An agreement not enforceable by law is said to be void under Option A, Section 2D of Indian Contract Act. Option B, Section 2E. Option C, Section 2.1. Etu 2I hobo sage. Aro option D, Section 2G. Aro amar correct answer to hobo option D, Section 2G of Indian Contract Act. Then question number 28. Novation of a contract means. Novation of a contract mane option A, the renewal of original contract. Option B, substitution of a new contract in a place of original contract. Option C, cancellation of contract. Or option D, alteration of the contract. Or our correct answer to hobo option B, substitution of a new contract in place of original contract. Then question number 89. The age of majority for the purpose of Indian Contract Act 1872 is option A, 18 years. Option B, 21 years. Option C, 16 years for girls and 18 years for boys. Option D, 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. And our correct answer to hobo 18 years. Then question number 90. The damages under section 73 of Indian Contract Act 1872 are option A, liquidated. Option B, compensatory. Option C, penal. Or option D, none of the above. And our correct answer to hobo option B, compensatory. Then ete ami jao Assamese part toloi yat 10ta question thakibo. Our first question to hol tolot ullekh kora jotua thas aru khondo bakyoboror ortho likhok. Yat jotua thas dise number 91 khai pat fola. Yar meaning to likhibo lage. Option A, mukhere borai kora. B, okholagi. C, oinor bhal dekhibo nwara. Aru D, bimur obostha. Aru amar correct answer to hobo option B, okholagi. The next number 92 hunot huoga sora. Hunot huoga sora. Tar options bilak hol A, akha hot hua. B, oti rupo. C, okopot chesta. Aru D, kamot agot sola. Yat yar hunot huoga sorar meaning to hobo option B, oti rupo. Tapisot question number 93 hatlor. Hatlor meaning to yat hobo option A, khomota সম্পন্ন. B, যত্নকৰ. C, sur স্বভাৱযুক্ত. আৰু D, হাজু হ. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hobo option C, sur স্বভাৱযুক্ত. Then next question number 94. তলত উল্লেখ কৰা সমাৰ্থক শব্দবিলাকৰ কোনবোৰ অশুদ্ধ অশুদ্ধটোহে বিচাৰিব দিছে আৰু ইয়াত নম্বৰ 94 ত দিছে পদ্ম হতদল A তাৰপিছত B বনহি অনল C প্ৰাচীৰ প্ৰসিদ্ধ D খ্যাতি কীৰ্তি ইয়াত সমাৰ্থক শব্দ দিছে সিনোনিমস তো ইয়াত অশুদ্ধ কোনটো হ'ব আমি চাব লাগে তো ইয়াত আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব C প্ৰাচীৰ প্ৰসিদ্ধ. Then question number 95. A, प्रतिज्ञा अंगीकार. B, प्रेरणा उत्साह. C, हुबहु अबिकल. D, हुकुला दावर. আৰু ইয়াত আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব D, हुकुला दावर. Then next ইয়াত আমাক opposite word চাব দিছে তলত উল্লেখ কৰ বিপৰীতাৰ্থক শব্দবিলাকৰ কোনবোৰ অশুদ্ধ ইয়াতো অশুদ্ধটো চাব দিছে তো আমাৰ কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 96 আহিল কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 96 ৰ A বিৰল সুলভ B যখ অপযখ C আস্থা অনাস্থা D নিমজ মসৃণ আৰু ইয়াত অশুদ্ধটো হ'ল অপচন D নিমজ মসৃণ. Then question number 97. A সঞ্চয় অপচয় B উন্নত অনুন্নত C প্ৰত্যক্ষ অপ্ৰাসংগিক আৰু D বৃষ্টি অনাবৃষ্টি আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত অশুদ্ধ বিপৰীতাৰ্থক শব্দটো হ'ব প্ৰত্যক্ষ অপ্ৰাসংগিক. Then question number 98 ইয়াত দিছে নিস্তাৰ শব্দটোৰ সন্ধি ভাঙিলে কি হ'ব অপশন A দিছে নিখ যোগ তাৰ অপশন B দিছে নিখ যোগ তাৰ অপশন C দিছে নিখ যোগ তাৰ আৰু D দিছে নিষ্ট যোগ আৰ আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশন বি নিহ যোগ তাৰ দেন লাষ্ট আৰু আমাৰ দুটা কোৱেশ্চন আছে কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 99 এবেটমেন্ট শব্দটোৰ অৰ্থ কি ইংলিছত এবেটমেন্ট শব্দটোৰ অসমীয়া অৰ্থটো কি হয় অপশন এ অপাকৰণ বি পৰিত্যক্ত সি অপপ্ৰেৰণা আৰু ডি অনুকূলকৰণ আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব এ অপাকৰণ আৰু লাষ্ট কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 100 ৰেগুলেশন শব্দটোৰ অৰ্থটো কি ইয়াত দিছে অপশনস এ নিয়ম বি বিনিয়ম সি নিয়মানুকৰণ আৰু ডি নিয়মিত আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব ৰেগুলেশনৰ শব্দৰ অৰ্থটো বিনিয়ম অপশন বি কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ আজি মই মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰিলোঁ আপোনালোকৰ যদি মোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই ভাল লাগে তেন্তে আপোনালোকে মোৰ ভিডিঅ'বিলাক লাইক কৰিব আৰু মোৰ চেনেলটো শ্বেয়াৰ এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু মই ভিডিঅ'বোৰত কোৱেশ্চনছবিলাক ইমান ভালকে ডেছক্ৰাইব কৰি দিয়া নাই কিয়নো ভিডিঅ'বোৰ বেছি দীঘলীয়া হৈ যায় বাকি মই বেলেগ কিছুমান টপিক লৈ আহিম যিবোৰ মই অলপ ভালকে এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিম আপোনালোকে মোৰ ফলো কৰি থাকিব মোৰ চেনেলটো আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱাৰ বাবে আপোনালোকক ধন্যবাদ